Hey guys, welcome to Hexter 4 of Earth Science. So it's basically like our second quarter of Earth Science. Last Hexter, we studied, if you remember, fossils, layers of the Earth, the geologic timescale, Earth's entire history, and then we ended with tectonic plates, which will kind of tie into this Hexter's material. Hexter 4 focuses on climate change, its causes, its impacts. We'll also be talking a lot about natural disasters and how they tie into climate change and how natural disasters impact humans, but also how we are impacting the climate and natural disasters, and just our general impacts on the Earth and Earth systems as humans. We'll talk a little bit about energy and energy resources and things like that. We'll be starting weeks 1 and 2 with climate change. Why is it happening? How is it affecting us? And how can we predict it? How can we reduce climate change? And then we'll be digging into some other things in later weeks. So as we go forward, let me know if you need anything, if you have any questions, and let's have a great Hexter.